Hey, it's Bernie with Raw Customs Designs. Picking up my Impala today. It's a black 96 SS. Needs some work, but what you can't beat it for $1,000. I mean, it runs and drives. Got the LT1. Tranny's good. I mean, there's some rust issues, but I don't care about that. We can fix that. I had one back in the early 2000s till about 2007 and vowed to always have another one, and well, here we go. And along with that, I also get this gem. It's a 95 Caprice parts car. So whatever I need for the Impala is coming off of this beast. It's a 95, like I said. Interior, I'm going to try to make it fit in my wagon. I got a 64 Impala wagon. Want to see if the front seats will fit in that. Motor, it's an L99. Police edition, I believe. Gonna also... Hey, buddy! Got a little doggy issue. Hi! 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 Alright, that's better. They scare me sometimes. That's going to go on the wagon for sure. This one has a bad tranny, but don't care about that either. And some body issues, but like I said, this one's just for parts. So, this one I'm going to have to tow over. The Impala I can drive over. So right now I'm just going to leave them at my sister-in-law's house until I can work on them. Stay tuned. More videos to come as I do progress and make things better. Alright, Bernie again. We're going to see if this thing starts up. They said he drove it yesterday, so here's my first time starting it. One crank. Yeah, baby. Me happy. 96. Pop the trunk. Check for the code. Make sure we got a legit one here. WX3 right there. Impala. Look what else I have. They need to be refinished, but I'm glad they're already off the tires and stuff. That's perfect. I'll strip those down and paint them. I've done that before, so that's not a big deal. Cool. And the ones on it are going to be my winter rims with winter tires, and then I'll make those Impala ones my actual summer tires, summer rims. So my goal on this, just in case anybody's wondering, is mostly original. I want it to look stock on the outside, 100%. Inside, it'll be stock 100%, except for a bang-in stereo system. And then later on, as I repair and fix, we'll upgrade the motor. That's my wife. She thinks she's funny. And obviously, look, needs a windshield, but that's okay. Got one on the Caprice, no big deal. So there's the lovely wife. She drove mine back when she was pregnant and loved driving the Impala because basically it was like sitting in a recliner. Yeah. Rev it up, baby. Yep. So right now the exhaust is bad, but take care of that. All right. Like I said, keep checking back. Follow me, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. It's gonna be fun. Thanks for looking. See ya.